Next, I'd like to talk to you about utilizing social networks. Those of you that are not familiar, social networks are really, really huge right now, and of course, there are a couple things that are pretty easy to do that you can do to make your blog a little bit more social network friendly. Let me explain. The first one is making it easy for people to bookmark. Essentially, what this involves is it's a plugin called the Add to Any bookmarking plugin. It's located right here, and let me show you what this does. Once this is installed on your blog, it'll automatically have a little part at the end of each post that you make where people, whenever they scroll over it, you'll see that the option comes up for them to bookmark your site. Essentially, what this means is, of course, if somebody sees your page, maybe they'll bookmark it if they have a bookmarking account. But if you have the buttons on your site already, you're making it a little bit easier for them to do. And then, of course, if they just click on one of these, it'll go right to their account and they can bookmark it. So, again, this is just about catering to people and making life easier for them. Of course, it's very easy to maintain. Let's see here. Right here, share save buttons. Just click on that under settings, and you'll see the options will come up on it's the placement, what buttons are there, things like that. But it's pretty easy to do, pretty quick, take a couple of minutes, and it's definitely, I think, a good idea.